So it is die Vorstellung. Which means the introduction.
Okay.
Now, first is if you want to ask someone his or her name, okay? So it will be wie heißen Sie. Now, what is this heißen? Writing it here. Heißen is a verb which means to be called,
Yes.
okay? And this wie means how. So the literal translation of this one is how are you called?
Yeah.
Okay, and we use this when we want to ask someone name.
Okay.
Okay, and this is an formal way. I'm using Z. If you want to use do, so it will be wie heißt du.
Heißt du.
Yes. Okay,
Yes.
and the second one is you also can use was ist ihr Name. Can you translate this one?
What is your name?
Correct. And this is your formal. And if you want to use the informal, so it will be was ist dein Name. What is this dein? This is your possessive pronoun. We will be doing after this introduction, okay?
Can you repeat this one?
So it is your was ist ihr Name, as in what is your name. This is your formal case and this is your informal case. Okay? This dein means your and was you already know what. What is this dein? We will be doing after this introduction. This is your possessive pronoun in German.
Okay.
Okay? Now, third is woher kommen Sie. Now, kommen is a verb which means to come. Okay, and woher means from where. If you want to ask someone woher kommen Sie, as in from where do you come? So the question will be woher kommen Sie. Obviously, here you can use du, woher kommst du. Okay? Yes. And the fourth one is wo wohnen Sie. Now again, wohnen is a verb which means to live. And this wo means where. Where do you live? Okay?
Wohnen Sie.
Wo wohnen Sie?
Wo wohnen Sie?
Correct. As in where do you live? And the fifth one can be wie alt sind Sie. Alt means old. So can you translate this one?
How old are you?
Correct. How old are you? And here obviously in every sentences you can use do, but the conjugation then it will be again, according to do. Okay. Now the last wie viele Sprachen sprechen Sie? Wie viele Sprachen sprechen Sie? Now this wie viele means how many, and the Sprachen. So Sprache means language, singular case, and Sprachen means languages. Okay.
Yeah.
Now coming to the answers to these questions. Have you written this one?
Just a minute.
Okay, yes.
Oh, can you repeat the last one?
It is wie viele Sprachen sprechen Sie? Repeat.
Wie viele Sprachen sprechen Sie?
Correct. Sprechen. Sprechen is a verb which means to speak. Okay. And wie viele means how many. Sprachen means your languages, plural case, and if you want to use as in the singular, it will be Sprache. Okay. As in how many languages do you speak? Okay.
Yes, done.
Now coming to the answers. So it will be wie heißen Sie. So the answer will be Ich heiße and then your name. Okay. Again, was ist Ihr Name? You can use mein Name ist and then your name. As in, I'm called as and then your name. My name is this. And obviously, you can use Ich bin and then your name. So basically, there are three ways to tell your name. Okay.
Yeah.
So it is Ich heiße,
Heiße,
Ich
Geige,
bin,
ich bin,
mein Name ist.
mein Name ist.
Correct. Coming to woher kommen Sie. So it will be Ich komme aus and then your place. Aus means from. Okay.
Yes.
It is Ich komme aus, for example, Ich komme aus Indien, like this. So India in German is called Indien.
Okay.
Okay. Now, wo wohnen Sie? Ich wohne in and then your place. Okay.
Okay. So that'll be Pune, right?
Correct. So wie alt sind Sie? So you will be like ich bin and then your age. Jahre alt. Alt means old and Jahre means years. Okay, as in I'm this years old. Okay.
Can you repeat this one?
Age one.
Yes.
So it is ich bin and then here comes your number as in the age number. Jahre alt. Okay. And this Jahre means years and alt means old, as in I am this years old. Any doubt?
I've understood. Yes.
Yes. And this wie viele Sprachen sprechen Sie? So the answer will be ich spreche and then your languages. And in the last, you will be using und ein bisschen Deutsch. Now, what does this mean? Und means and in German, okay? And this ein bisschen means a little bit. And Deutsch, obviously, German. Okay?
Ein bisschen.
Yes. Und ein bisschen Deutsch. Or if you just want to say in number only, as in I speak two languages, three languages, so it will be ich spreche and then your number come here And if your number is an only one, as in I speak only one language, so it will be Sprache, singular. And if you say that I speak two, three, four languages, so it will be Sprachen. Okay. But
Okay.
if you want to specify which languages do you speak, so you will be using this one is Sprecher, and then your languages, and at last und ein bisschen Deutsch.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubt?
Understood. For now, at least.
Nothing much.
It's nice. It's just a lot of words together. Yeah, but it's nice.
Okay. Now we will do one thing that you will give your introduction in German using these sentences, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Here for this one, to tell your name, you have your choice. Either you can use Heiser, Bin, or mein Name. Okay? And
Okay.
with as in we didn't do the numbers, I guess we only did the numbers till 20, correct?
Yeah.
You can skip this one, as in the age one, and you can do the rest ones.
If
Okay.
not, I can just be like 20 years for now.
Yes, obviously. In English, ich bin, and then your English and Yara alt.
Okay.
Yes, so try.
Ich heiße Gayatri.
Mm-hmm.
Ich komme aus Indien.
Hmm.
Ich wohne in Pune.
Correct.
Ich bin 20. 20, what are you? 20
Mm-hmm.
Jahr, Jahr alt.
Yara alt.
Jahre alt.
Hmm.
Ähm, ich spreche
Correct.
ähm, 7
Mm-hmm.
und ein bisschen Deutsch.
Correct. Here you can say, so you mention the number. So here it will be ich spreche sieben Sprachen und ein bisschen Deutsch. Okay.
Okay.
So it will be as in I speak 7 languages and a little bit of German. Okay. Any doubt with this one?
Understood. Yes, now I feel more confident.
Okay. Is it kind of similar with other languages?
Yes and no.
Okay.
So,
Mix up.
yeah.
So basically,